Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable Compact View in File Explorer on Windows 11. So basically Compact View, as it implies in the name, allows you to both increase or decrease the space between items that are appearing in your File Explorer window. So definitely can help remove some empty space, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up File Explorer, and then you're going to select the three-dotted icon over on the far right that says See More. Left click on that and select Options. Select the View tab, and then there will be an option where it says Decrease Space Between Items, and then parentheses Compact View. You can just select that and then select Apply and OK. And then if you have various programs in there, it should change it to becoming a little bit more or less compact. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.